should take it slow.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video, guys. Hopefully you guys are all having a smashing day so far. But I'm going to be showing you guys how to download the simple screen recorder. I told you I would come out with it, but you didn't know that I was going to come out with it
like you used to.
the next day. So, if you guys want to go down
Some
here,
days I'm not myself. There's no one I can
you
turn
want to
to.
search for Debian on the little thing.
All the feelings that we share with the
Some
best.
Chromebooks have the apt get, but I have the apt
Your
store.
relationships are never meant to last.
So, sudo apt. Sudo apt get. Wait, that works? What? Okay, and then you want to go simple screen recorder.
All the feelings that we shared are in the past.
Okay, sudo, wait, will this work? Will this work?
Your relationships are never meant to last.
Oh, why? And
Take some
enter
time, but I'll be alright. Moving on,
hopefully,
moving
so
on.
I'll see you guys when
I know times are tough, but
Okay, guys, now we go back.
moving on.
You guys can see it is finished downloading. So you guys want to go over to here, click X, click leave,
Moving on.
and then go into, it'll show you the simple screen recorder. It'll be in your Linux apps. Opening up, I might start using this screen recorder to do my videos. Yeah, guys. Actually, never mind. I'll do that in a different video. Hopefully, you guys all had a great day and all learned how to download the screen recorder. Make sure when you're downloading the screen recorder that you guys don't use Arch Linux. Don't use Fedora, Gentoo, KAOS, Mageia, and then NixOS, OpenSUSE, and then that. And so, yeah, make sure you guys don't use that. And use Debian, okay? Use Debian. I'll leave this link in the description for you guys.